but except Goa Broadband Network, none of this cable owners, they or this of this so-called cables, they came forward. Okay, now only the GPBN people are here. Just because this is a government backbone network, we aren't cutting off their cables. But the rest of all the cables, we have not obtained any municipality permission, no statutory permissions from any authority. We are cutting them off. Now we are going for the cableless, means wireless world and digital era. But still these wires are hanging. It was certainly or should I debeautifying the city, and that's the reason we are cutting them off.
काय केबलवाले सीओक मेळून गेल्ले, तांकां तो मेळना. पालिका, केबल ऑपरेटर आणि संबंधित खात्यांनी एकठांय बसून खंय कितें तरी उपाय काडूंक जाय.
Along with the municipality and along with the cable operator and along with the internet providers, आम्ही एक कितें तरी अशें एक solution काडुया which will be helpful to cable operator, internet people and the consumer आणि municipality कोय बी. By which even electricity department सुद्धा येतले. इतलो ते पयलीं कोणाकूच काय पडूं नाशिल्लें, पण ह्या सिवोन इंट्रस्ट घेवन फॉर द ब्युटिफिकेशन तांकां जाय ती आमकांय गरज दिसता. सेम टायम लोकांक केबलूय बी जाय. देर आर सम डिफिकल्टीज वी आर फेसिंग टू ले द केबल्स. सो तेजे खातीर आमी बसून एमिकेबली एक तेजेर सोल्युशन काडुया अशें म्हणून ताका आमी रिप्रेझेंटेशनूय मागला.
नगरपालिकेचे मोहिमेचेर थोडे मडगांवकार बेजार.
हें तेमचें सारकें रॉंग. आयज तरी गाडी नो पार्किंग आहा जाल्यार नो पार्किंग आसल्यार गाडी फोडपा जाता. तेमी केबल काटले. I just want to know who gave them authority to cut the cables. They could have easily discontinued or disconnected. So I think municipality should not act like that, because they have failed in parking in Margaon. They are not making any attempt to do any kind of parking solution in Margaon. And you can see Sogda hoarding ha. All over Margaon hoarding ha, banner ha, poster ha. That also is a part of the drive. It should look city clean. But that you have to get everybody together. एक केबल का काट केल म्हणून आणि लोकांक तुम्ही सफर केले. And I want to ask all the councillors, people should ask the councillors.
इतले मजगती पणजे महापालिकेनूय भौशीक नोटीस काढल्या. फुटपाथ नितळ करूंक एन्फोर्समेंट स्क्वॉड नेमला. फुटपाथावेले पसरकारांचे सामान धरून गाड्यांचे मेकॅनिक ते बाकीचे अतिक्रमणां मेरेन सगळ्यो आडखळी काडून उडोवपाची शिटकावणी. असली अतिक्रमणां दिसल्यार कागाळ करूंक स्क्वॉडाचो नंबरूय नोटिशीत भौशीक केला. प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.